Sanso ena aba awonfe dua. Na me nam TikTok na say che mi piepia ma de ya na se mani koto so a me say aba me ntena se ye me twetwe break na ready no ho fe too much. In fact, you are so beautiful. Efia bibia boko de.
Nyame atom.
Ho fe o.
Also ho fe. I mean, you are super fragile,istic, espialidocious.
Cash. And one day, and what say Miss Yesian. Say,
me na mission.
There be.
No, me na mission, Patrick.
Thank you. Odo you, Abrabono. Anywhere din ye ana.
Eyem pose eweye mremu metimi mpacho se osofu.
Me patcha me spiritual father no. Papa Thomas.
Eye pan se eweye mremu.
Wa be hia no.
Sawo. Because the ma fam wo wiase ne de wono mu kra no. Me hia na ma na chereche ne mabi mu ase a kire me.
Okay.
Enya asem keto.
Wow. Mombo. Efia.
Moto ha.
Enju kola ni si ha. Obebo bia ma me ana. Asa de wunya starters when you see atata this you.
My bro. Okay, so
then da wakoma so a opesa woni ye ehye Efia free him fa. Oko school we. Wabusuan for we him fa.
Okay, me ankasa de ye wo me wo bibie ni.
Baby any.
Yeah.
Okay, come say baby any.
Yeah, Western region seshi bibie ni.
Oh, okay. Pacho biwa no kakra me.
Okay. Na me mame eye fafani.
Wow.
Na me papa eye igbeni.
Wow.
Aha. Enti no me din ankasa de Grace Agbomo.
Grace
Agbomo.
Oh.
Yeah, enti no Nayas me be wiase ankasa de me nyine se maye bone. Bone a ebia me yeye. Eni se ebia mama ne papa wu ntem. Asa manya obi ahwe. Na ewiase ana mpinfo ka bibi se ohene ba ne de ne papa te ase. Na akoye te se wo mama ne wo papa wu I te say you don't have a family. Even though wo abusuafo ba ye kan abusuan especially mama because me papa di kan we. Ba me papa wu ye no na me nten kan say me ni abusuan until say me mama so wu ye ansa na me hu say no wiase no abawie. You know minim sa sama me kan abusuafo hwe me a omo be very disappointed because ebia keka omo kwano come fancy but it's actually my story. See even say my story is na me tonku be mean to me go na me ton banchi.
Correct.
Enti no omo fanche me meka. So but I think that right now no me ni omo nyina me ni omo ye okay. Yeah, right now I love our relationship. Me fa say enti na meka say ye me desma beto spiritual father wa hasi. Because me at that time no me fa say un say Christo sumni nyame sumni na sorry na sometimes it's me honey pal e o kwan bebre so
ni say huntia
and it's akwala mesi so at the age of 9 years and I am fan say me mama so we enti no na me papa di kan wo dada enti na me mama eneti which is me mama nua.
Okay.
We dear Mr. Non Fanchemi, you are some natural, but Mr. Non Fanchemi. Me wo one day, and of frame me. She was like, Efia, oh, you bay for. Make us say, many 9 years. I'm say, no, me bay, or say, cannot cry. So cannot cry at that time yet to be any. Oh, me do be too quiet. Do be cook myself to ton tadiam. I was so excited. I'm like, wow, maybe cast me a bay cake, a benyan tarine. And I make a catch a mini and cry say, Master mean cast me before better ton tadiam. In terms of mini and so catch and so no one who said no. And tarina I am a day. And also me son a pa or they may command a sofa. Na sofa no, they may command no. Maybe my metiaseno, a one and no quite sorry. So for name to me, time my metias and so for name to me and who doesn't me before.
Okay.
But me mammy we any day, yet the mere bassa pasta now. Can't train say, my many buy and put no one can hear some more kind of say, me bay, where you bay for my busan on peso by canoe crate. Ain't in the made an abro. And then pasta ni busami, if you are bay for I'm saying no. Me bay for almost a one canoe cry. Ya do better fasting mo. Copum so baby one or by canoe crate. Na me ka sa agro me chro mo se be bia me gina na me gina because me nye beifo internet is ampa fasting ye do betuma kwala 9 years a dry fasting enye nkramofo de ye sorry ahomachi didi bia o and away 6 to 6 dry fasting ye di kind me to mu first day enwumrebo enwumre 6 a na ma bre me nsu and enye say bia ye ja o second ante abontin obi akoma watwom obi are o meda sofo no veranda bi eho na meda enti no unko ba bia make us say sofo in the kitchen ni ya baby eha na meda ye no aduane twam koba e bi sofo mpo na mede bia kama no first day na medem man didi enwumre 6 na ma mensu second day na medem enwumre 6 na ma mensu akwala 9 years Nayas third day afa miwu me moaye ha na me say enti se me baby ma no pa ka se me ye beifo na se menya aduane adidi because me nim for how long the best that be answer na internet just 40 days na me nka se me ye be ya na me bewu ana enti ada to so 3 days and me from na me catch you say the aduane dey chewa be se me beifo answer na mo ma me aduane adi yankopon ne madanse me nim be ye kala aha me tisi ame be ye kran kampe me nibi ansa na omoma meduane and almost say be ye bia wo you see at that time what was that be ye movie na I say yes be for yakofa ne be ye kukuo yakotu be ye sa ne ma no because me ma me no penya me so mpa so sometimes me feel say enye ne fault eye niema ye kire no wa sorry na edidi na adwem probably ebia me ni ebia na obi na misleading no but right now ne dey me blame ni sisi ai moma me nyini ya matene ma bia se wa abrabom no me blame no kra but na dey so hu ne say biswa but all the same me right now no, I love our relationship the way I mean it is sisi ano me penasem pa upon everything because me ma me nua pa no I enye nchen so right now ne dey me okay enti asamo mo be kan say be ye bia wo be yikuku enti sama accept some ye be for there and ye me nkofa be yikuku mra eno so ye pam me na mabonten be 1 week am me hwe be yikuku Jesus and ye be medru na Nayas uja me a one hwe ya mponchi bom krameda e obibi ni abonten so asema am ken so obi ti bibi ni sisi na ohwe me a e bia nipa no kra me kan ono so kadi machi because omunim sa story obi bi ni bia nim sa story because crony ni cry so sa into asam keto bi no spread it because me be gi me din enye na nkofo be hum yo bibi ni na start gi me din me gi me din ye pa na me superstar nkasa be ye mu superstar because me na me ba na nkofo odwane be ifo no na e ba no enti one day bi me na mabonte na me say enti na no me nya be yikuku a me nkofia na ene me ana me kwasa sasa niema bi you see me nyine ya na mahu say all these things no pastors yankasa no they have a problem because me de call no so for na ntimi ehu da say akwala 9 years a metimi use ma adwuma mpanyifo sa when ntimi ehu say ade we akwala ya na akotena ba bia kwasa sasa niema we na ode abrɛ o accept say me ba yikuku no ena o mo hye no nti ya hye ba yikuku no but me ma me no na o problem bia of course says the problem is solve ya eno no be hu say ampa because me betna na nche no no ni hu ne say eye me na mama ne niema nkoyi it's okay so also ye be ye tu be ye ni dia eze niema koyi mama se niema nkoyi dia be ye no boa ye ntui nti ene asumdue de manya bi because here is the case ade kwa okom no mimi ni mohwe nti nya de nso so ade kro no se minim hu bibi dia nka meja na ma ne ho ato no na nka me so me ho ato me but mini mohwe ne dia me brɛ pa Nayas
Efia enti sa 1 week na ukone nam yese uhwehwe bayi kuku no na odi aba sofo ne se kona kofa brand ukwa akọ hwehwe aba na woni nam that 1 week no ehe fana na woda edie na wodi akwala 9 years asebe meka se unkita sika bia wo ho unnim bebia okọ that time no kwan be na fa so odidi ehe fana na ukodware edie na ewo wadwenim that time no
what the jare mbo na oka wan se me jare no kare ene ni na kwa me pe jare ntu de no po ye fa nto nchen na Nayas Ti say me no ka say me wo also.
Okay.
E ho na me fa free me nkwala bem.
Okay.
Because e come abedim wo wiase no. Of course me na mabonten. E na me ka no. Se me wugya me at that time no ponchi boom kra me ada. Se me dru baby na me hwe na aha na me da ebe ya na mada. Inti no mostly nkrofo stores enim ne nasefo because me coffee obepam me. Me nenam abonten sa nti aduane pa de empo de aduane kwa de forget na no na me nya bi ndi kra.
Efia untimi nka nkyere yen said that time no at the age of 9 years and now nenam 1 week na then na wudi eno na ye pesa hwefo pese then that time no e kwan be na wo fa so a odidi because at the age of 9 years papa you can never tell me say when did that and I say one don't suda adware de normal say that time na kola de yesu so akware ye sheda mpa adware se ne oka no but e kwan be na fa so a odidi untimi enkyere koma that I mean 12 hours cry enye possible.
Yeah, obetimi enye aduane.
Okay.
But ye kan aduane a enye aduane ya wankasa wo pese wodi.
Okay.
Do you understand? Ebi a wonam ho no nkwala bi didi omo we chips e ba akoma me o yi ba akoma wo. But enye se aduane se ma menye ska akota aduane ana amaka obi fie ma nipa na ma no. Eno anze me na ma bonten sa ene se mango a metimi ate mango edi. Ekoma ankasa Nayas ekoma de me. Insuo ubetimi anya ebula bi si bi ubetimi akope insuo ano but se aduane a opese wudidi se watena se wudidi de no
enti free ho no a ye ball be ye wie ya akofa kuku ba ye pie no ye ball be kuku ni wie ye growing up pa be si sabri Efia Dragon no eye edin Efia Dragon no wadaroma ehimfa na unye free na ekwan ben na ofa so a wodi be pie no so social media.
Okay, so sa enam me mama no pass sorry pa. It's ne mama so many beji nya me som ho.
Okay.
Yeah, inti me so me be pass sorry. Impo me free ne nchen kwa no. Still nana me am me kwa sorry. Yeah. Inti no I think say me pastor that time na me call Christ Embassy. So me pastor me like me sorry na me call no na enye 2x4 sorry like me sacrifice me ho any sorry ho for crime to me fast kind kodo and at that time I was so lonely into ne bi o krampo am nkofi e bi o kra sorry ho na meda into no as me ne pastor bi o ho bi am ne pastor ne close any say offering cry bi o ha me na me kind na say for like me ye adwuma bebre o sorry ho no no
want to be that
na ye be that
edin Efia Dragon no e kwan ben na e fa so a unyan
enti no me be okay dragon no me show dragon ase nka me show di enti a me be pie mo social media
yeah time no enti ye pese wo se obi hwa story de wo kana esisi so wadaroma
enti no dragon dey I think say too much or Jankatown movie name.
Okay.
Yeah, me was acting. I started acting Okumase.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now started acting no.
I think say 2010.
2010. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And I need too much. Must start here.
No, enye ho.
Okay.
Actually, kwanza na me back. It's na me chat series. Na me anga me on my YouTube channel. Yeah, me chat short videos. It's na me mo ba. Ebe ye juma mama. It's na I think that one day bi na ye nam honom say ye dina kasa de too much na de mama.
Okay.
Intina before no frame me dina na me ntia ase me ya na mabusa ne say oh dey intina offer me dragon e no no ase no ohun say me obi a mani eden like me funny mama ankasa mani eden yeah of course intimi ankasa me tena ase a me hwe what I've been through no man kan obi akra nim na me say yeah of course yeah inti dragon ne dey akwa to say dragon ya aboa bi a enye is aboa bi a na obetimi defeat dragon.
Okay.
To the idea obi puja ma you can't stand it.
Aboa ben na wo susu say that time no na when you dey to say sa aboa kro no because o ka say why would the aboa na bade a I said that time I said dragon aboa dragon na o hwe say na ni so hye na
enye ni so hye but eni eden ye ka say eni eden enye say eni eden de kontokwa be eni eden de face life.
Okay.
Wu kra won kam obi nti
because ye de ye nim say enam minua be ma avram be mo shey so and ye nyina ye de be hu social media say ye wo fine sister bi a kire say anam avram be mo she so a wabe ye superstar. Yes, enti ye de nim say enam Avram so because ye ti say na Avram be mo she na one uditi na one one wo ho. And then later you hu say waja no ho. I think say they trash cra on one they will call ye hu so assign they will call they trash near the and also na ho asem et say.
No. Avram de nyom no de me call yanditi honestly. Oye madam for pa. Ye meaning ye to say inua. They trash ne de me ankasa na me call hono. Yeah. And bibi si ohonum bia no and I think say no de me ana me hye mande.
Okay.
Me ana me hye yeah. There's nothing like or mama ni broken heart and no it's not like that.
It's not just for a fun and I say no person or do pie and untina na or mo yes na say na mo person mo de Ghana for adwini di agro na say no because e ho ne ye person ye tie ase ansa na maba question mo nsem bia wo kan e san ko me de wo be come chikakra.
But before then no na nkofo ni me dada wo.
I know but ye person ye hu say na wo ne Avram be mo she wo ne call out wo ne na call out da.
No.
But one kasa wo ba out abra ono ne ba ye obeka say wono ne wo ho no ne date ni ade one kasa so wo ba beji tu mu say e ye no kresa wono ne wo ho e mo no one kasa so won sade wo ko date trash ni ade nyina
David date trash no me and I'm sorry call
one akọ but oto a wo ho
one ma ho social media
social
media bia no ye no otena ni fie no ye wamba
okay
date trash hono bi
okay it wo be chia tum say Avram be mo she e na de wo ba lamlight ni
I don't think so.
I didn't know you.
Some man could date trash and all these things don't care emma so.
But Avram Bemoshe and a kind of buy one no ba on my yen social media and I say yenum ye say Efia Dragon be ewo ho and all of a sudden no udi ebe poppy the whole world.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sesana open there because before no na me medican ye sadi and ankasa na me koye wo no.
Efia, you can never tell me say you can't tell me say sesana me peda because I idea that internet so.
So when you go to Google right now.
Okay.
Obe hu say obo Efia Dragon na.
Okay.
Obe di kan hu ba ko a video ba ko a eno say the same prank na no makọ wi phone.
Okay.
Eno di kan be trendy.
Okay.
Crans na me ko dey trash. Me di kan ye prank be is a two sesen.
Okay.
And say be eno na wa hu. Obeko Google eda ho say omeka cho say Efia Dragon akọ wi phone. Omeka cho say TikTok abi akọ wi phone. Ti na me wo TikTok ho dada.
It's not say wo de wa adwene ne say uba na wo de yenom ya adwene abedi agro na de aju udini.
No.
Na wo de yakoma.
No.
E di agro. Na say yen na e social media no yakoma na ekitawo se koshia. E na wo miemia. Me
I think that my first prank am here no. E no dey me here out of frustration. Omo je me phone e wa Chemota Forest.
Okay.
Na me ya na me bo me dam. Me shedem kwa because na police need na ho na ye phone no.
Okay.
Me wo ha na me yem hye me say Ghana ye hu because the police need na ho kra tu. Na comfort me je me phone dey we say ye hu. Na yes me shedem kwa na me say obi to me. I was traumatized. And I say no I want to change that topic no. Ma me nye bibi na e na me ye no nso no. Me yes ade na me hu said the nkrofo si fa no. E na me hu say oh me na me nim say wote ho a me nye obi a me dwene say obi time ne sa na ma no. Because the old time for what me say me need time for.
Okay.
But me yes I didn't who said there be you. Sa what ho a won ye hwe kro bit me time obi a woni mo kra me time because sa video me ma me nua na post ye. Me am yonko ma omukogu ni inbox e na eyo omo de say ase ye gu mani mo ase omko follow no onfa video for from bra and na say I was like really into say na ye no kro pan say makowie bibi ampampa say na nkanipa be say me din ana and at the end of the day no e ma me hu omo be me so omo na me sere kwa. Say the last prank am here you know say me be ne ma bi so o me phone yi so am wati a na nsen ya me ne boy bi ye ba ko bi.
Okay.
Obi a me
there also wakuria wa deal say why bibis
boga bi o se ma be wi na laptop ne na se fe no de na ye boga.
Oh okay.
Obi a me ne obi atena se ya plan ade no ye wi de free ha me audio ne wa me bo am wati. Lady bi or outside the country. Boy ni sending me audio na me ye ma hye me. And someone lady ne ka ai onim nipa kra me makowia na ade no me wan so me ana ma plan o se nipa ne ye ne kunu a wone ne te na obegu mani mu ase de o de be ye me no na me se ade a me ama plan no am wa kire nipa kra me makowia na laptop no but
enti wote hwa na ba wotirim se plan bibi fa bibi bra aya ebetimi ede udin no aba wo hwa na just about him say just I mean do something adia enye no kre planning na ye
yeah so be me hu omo time ni omo pemasem yeah because
yes niema wo ye nyina dodo na eye ntro wo sheda
apart from me yare bibie ni ho bi mama ya
Efia apart from oyare bibie ni ho no ma wa beka a eye no kre. Okay.
No, say I did a prank there. Bibi may be. You see, the thing is, Bibi may be a prank be. And you say me we are a home. At the end of the day, no kind of about one thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Bibi may be a prank. The first one, me and I'm about one thing and I'm bekai. It's no. They trash and so Sammy and many of them now is about one thing because I am say Bibi anywhere. Ye German a kahoa a best shank foot. Say okay, and you know crab a cank foot him no. At the end of the day, the message won't know and say, you don't need to believe anything you see on social media, especially say somebody because what's saying is my the papa and come on so say.
Okay.